Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Your friend the GM is here to share something about literatures. Today I am going to share something new about literatures. A playwright, his name Edward Bond. His introduction. Viewers looking and watching the first slide here. Edward Bond's introduction. English playwright from England. Let's start his introduction. He was born on July 1934 in Holloway, North London. His parents from Labour and Cambridgeshire. They moved to London in the late 1930 during the Second World War. Bond was educated first at Cornwall and then his grandparents' house near Ely. He was admitted to Crouch End Secondary School to qualify for the 11 plus examination. But he failed to qualify for the 11 plus examination due to some domestic problems. He was deeply impressed by the performance of Macbeth, a play by Shakespeare, given by Donald Wolfett at Bedford Theatre. After leaving school, he knocked around doing various jobs as poorly paid as the job of paint mixture and insurance clerk and a checker in an aircraft factory. In 1953, he was called up for military services, where he was posted at Vienna with the Allied Army of Occupation. Experience in the military service became muse for him, he said. What really started me writing seriously was being in the army. The army is a sort of parodied version of civil society. It is without all face-saving ritual and without all social excuses, and just the naked barbarism and a very foolish and vicious form which is an amalgam of sentimental sloppy reverence for dead idols combined with a real viciousness. During his stay at Vienna, he wrote short story, his first serious work that led to writes earnestly. He staged his plays up to 1935 in the Royal Court Theatre that had become an attractive place for new writer, and he also knocked around visiting various theatres to watch performance. In 1958, he sent his first play to Royal Court Theatre, and he was really impressed by the work of Breschet, the German dramatist who wrote famous plays Mother Kreutz, Trumpet and Drums, and Profession Church Circle. One of Bond's first plays, The Ashes of Kish, was entered for competition held by the Observer in the autumn 1956, referring to the impacts of World War II on his earth as well as the people's lives. He says, I think it was because I was brought up in the war. The subjects are full scale about the future of society, not minute. His important plays are listed here: Early Morning, Narrow Road to the Deep North, The Broken Shepherds, Clarkson in Artist Place, I Do Not Want to Be Nice, The Outing, Bingo, We Come to the River, The Woman, Lear, The Roller Coaster, The Fire Tree, The Golden Age, The Pope's Weddings, The World, Save the Sea. He is a professional and prolific playwright who writes on demand as well. Thanks to watch the video. Stay connected by subscribing, sharing, liking and promoting my channel on YouTube. Goodbye. Thank you so much.